on our way to the airport because we're going to Singapore. And we did not need to ride an airplane. We already found the Legoland in Philippines. Like, why did we ever want? That's a Legoland, right? Hi, the airplane, and do you know how many hours for? So I'm gonna put my squishy right over here. Mommy, show them.
Okay.
This is my butterfly squishy, and it's really soft. I'm gonna put it here because I might be bored later, and I will be lazy to get my bag. Because it's kind of hard to open. This thing has toys. So people are just like sitting and they're finding their seats. But right now we're gonna do what's in my bag right now because my mom requested. You know? Okay. So first here where I said there's a lot of toys, there is none. I forgot to put toys. Okay, I just have coins there, don't need to see. And I have this butterfly thingy there. And then there's my coins. I thought I lost. It's there. It's from Thailand. Thailand coins. And here, such a disaster. I can't even put this out. Okay, this is my phone case I brought just in case like my clothes are pink and I'll just change my phone case, but I'm black right now.
It's a no in the aircraft. Thank you.
And I have my Shopkin cars, and they are there. They're Shopkins. They're not burglars, okay? I named this Megan because this is Kate. Kate. Then I have this mirror. Racer, my stepper, Chloe. My Chloe stepper. There. Now next, that's why I brought my pencil. It's because I have my unicorn book and it's squishy. And yeah. The last I brought this. It's a fan from Thailand. Yeah. And my charger, of course. Because, you know, at night maybe Liam will play on my phone. Or maybe not because I have a lot. So that's it, guys. I need help from my mom with these disaster things. Oh, it fits so perfect. Bye, guys. So we're here at Singapore, the airport of Singapore. And Mommy's just getting the SIM card for here. Yeah, I'm so... I'm flexible. No, you're just kidding. I'm not flexible, okay? I can't even split. Okay, whatever. We are here in the hotel and they gave us packages and wipes. This hotel is named Marina. Guys, so I'm gonna show you a tour in our hotel room. So first, you see here. The entrance, you see this thingy, and it's so cute. Then next stop, this door goes to the bathroom. And I love this tub. I just wish that I bring in my bath bomb. And this is the two sinks, which is so... Hi! and rose, white and rose, conditioner, body wash. Next is there. This is the cabinet system, and this is a safe. I don't want to touch that. Yeah. And this is like for the hotel, and the slippers for your feet. I'm gonna use one before mommy uses one.
this is my tips.
And next up is a mirror, a giant mirror. And here we have this toilet towel. Where's this one? It was there, and it said this. Then let's just put there. Here is our big bed. Next is our beautiful view. I like those flowers. I can see a lot of cars there. And that's it. Even though it's so big to me, and it's so cute and good. So yeah.